The Ministry of Health and Wellness is warning Jamaicans not to purchase or use three unregulated products currently being marketed for sexual enhancement. The products Black Bull Extreme, Erectemax, and Royal Honey, which contain undeclared pharmaceutical ingredients, are primarily sold online and through informal vendors. This advice follows alerts issued by the United States Food and Drug Administration, which confirmed through laboratory analysis that the products contained undeclared pharmaceutical ingredients. These undeclared ingredients may cause harmful health effects, especially in individuals with underlying medical conditions or those taking prescription medications. In the case of Black Bull Extreme, this product is being falsely promoted as a natural dietary supplement.